Cat's Cradle is a fun puzzle game you can play with 2 or more players. Start by taking a piece of string that's about 30 to 45 inches, 76 to 114 centimeters long, and tying the ends together. A shoelace is usually perfect for this. Then put your hands inside the string and pull it out with your thumbs on the top of each end of the loop. Wrap your hand around the inside of the string to attach it to your hands. Then put one of your middle fingers through one of the lengths resting against your palm and pull it out. Do the same with your other middle finger to make the cat's cradle, which should look like 2 X's in the middle of the string. The goal of the game is for the next player to transfer the shape to their hands by touching and grabbing the string before sliding it into their hands. Then, the next player tries to transfer the string onto their hands. Players continue transferring the string like this. If a player breaks the cat's cradle or can't transfer it to their hands, they lose.